Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I got my Fabfitfun box for the month of spring. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so before we get into this humongous box, I just want to take the time to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Welcome all. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup related, hence the YouTube name Aisha Loves Makeup. So on this channel you're going to see lots of makeup related videos, whether it's makeup hauls, makeup unboxings, anything makeup related. So overall, if you just like makeup, then like my channel, then watch my channel. And show your girl some love. If you like my video, by the time you're ending of the video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And without further ado, let's just get into this bad boy, because I am dying to know what is in here. They let you pick your choices so far in advance, just like every other makeup subscription box, that by the time you get the box, you don't even remember what you chose. So this is gonna be a surprise to you and me both. So let's get in. So the boxes normally come like this big. They're so big I can't even get it all in the camera. It's a pretty big, decent sized box. So Fabfitfun is a lifestyle subscription box. So it's not like a makeup subscription box like most of the boxes that I unbox on my channel. This is a little different because you can get things from clothes, jewelry, exercising stuff, electronics. Like, it's just all lifestyle. Everything is different. But I just like to try different stuff, so that's why I subscribe to this box. The box is $49.99 a month, so it's like 50 bucks. And it's every season, so winter, spring, summer, and fall. Like I said, this is the spring box. It's always like a season ahead. So winter is just about to be finishing up. We're in March, and I want to say it should be spring soon, but it's not spring yet. They normally do it right before the season's gonna change. So let's see what I got. The first thing on top of the box was this lovely pamphlet little booky thing I have here. And it kind of like goes over the things you got inside your, what do you want to call it, your box. So this is what it looks like. You got all the little stuff in here that tells you what's inside. Does it give prices? Yes, and we have prices. So when you have an annual subscription, like I do the annual, so I pay for the whole year in advance, you get to choose pretty much the majority of your choices. Like I think I get to choose like, what was it, like 4 or 5 things you get to choose. So I like that advantage that you get to choose your items, because 9 times out of 10 when you have like subscription boxes, you may not like what they pick for you, but if you get to pick it, then it's kind of like worth it. So I picked most of the stuff, but like I said, because you have to pick so far in advance, I never remember what I picked anyway. So we'll refresh my memory all together right now. So they always give you like a flyer for HelloFresh, so I always get that. They gave me some Fabfitfun stickers, which is kind of cool. And what is this? Some vitamin supplement coupon. So that's that. And we'll start off with what I got. Oh, so the first thing I got is Joy Davaricki. I don't know if I said that right, but it's a ring. Hopefully this fits me. Oh, something fell. This is the ring that I chose. Look how pretty this is, guys. Oh, this is one of the rings where it's like open on the bottom, so it would fit anybody. Let's see how this looks on. Oh, this is pretty. Guys, look at this. This is so pretty. Yes, very excited for this. Doesn't go with my look today, but I like my first. I chose this, but very happy about that. Okay, so let's see how much they say that ring costs. That ring was $75. It's not even like a real, it's like cut off at the bottom. How is it $75? It says bling out your hand with this adjustable hexagon shaped ring, which fits ring size 6 through 8. And I'm like a 7. My fingers are kind of like big for how tiny I am, but I still don't see how this is $75, but nevertheless, I'm happy I got it. It is beautiful. $75 for beautiful? I don't know, but I'll take it. It kind of has like little diamonds. Obviously, they're not real diamonds around it, but very cute. I'm here for it. All right, so the next thing I got is, what are these? These things that I don't know what they are. They look like kind of like facial makeup removal thingamabobs. Oops. I got 3 of them, but what are they? Let's see here. We'll find out together. They are reusable beauty rounds. Ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. I'm excited for that. Look at these guys. They're pretty big. Like, if you put them beside my face, not saying that my face is big, but that's the size of them. They feel very like fluffy, very soft. Love the feel of them. Very, very fluffy. And they said they're reusable, so very excited for these. These retail for 15 bucks. And that's the brand that they're from. Okay, I got a Grown Alchemist body cream. I want to say I chose this, and I want to say I chose those cotton rounds as well. So I always wait to the last minute to get my stuff, so this is like the stuff that was left. I guess beggars can't be choosers. This is the body cream that we get by Grown Alchemist. I'm looking in the monitor as if like I can't see it in front of me. I always gotta look on the side. Let me smell this, because I heard this brand is very good, so let me smell it. I put a little bit on the back of my hand. Doesn't smell like anything spectacular. Oh, but it does feel very hydrating. Look at the difference of my hands. So I put it on this hand. This hand has nothing. So you guys see the difference? This side looks nice and glowy. This side, still glowy, but not as glowy as this. I don't like the smell. The smell smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. If you ever use Vicks Vapor Rub, it smells just like that, like legit just like it. Which I don't know if I want to walk around smelling like Vicks Vapor Rub, but it does the job as far as like making your skin look hydrated, and my skin feels very soft. So for that, I will use it. So I'm excited for that. Let's see how much this bad boy costs. That is $26. It says it has mandarin and rosemary leaf. Nourish and hydrate your body with a blend of potent bioactive ingredients. Very interesting. All right, so what is this? This is a tweezers with pouch. I have so many tweezers, but what's a 101 tweezer, right? You can never have too much. I can never find them when I need them, so let's see here. Oh, this is cute, guys. You get a little pouch and you get some tweezers. The brand, I guess, is called Summer Rose. Look how cute. Very cute, very cute. The tweezers is like kind of summery. They have like little flowers on them. Very cute, very cute. And you get the little pouch. Love that. How much was that? $20. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So I'm loving, loving, loving this. Loving it. There you go. Alright. The next thing I got here is a Biome Brightening Ampoules. Let's see what this is about. Oh, it's blue. Yes, I love when it's like fun, funky colors. This is beautiful. That's what it looks like. This is $38. It says that this oil features spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance the skin. I'm probably gonna give this away. My skin is sensitive, so I never really venture out too much from a lot of skincare. Plus, you guys know I give away almost all my skincare anyway, so I will give that away. The next thing I got is Sun's Out, Pouts Out, 4 pieces of gold foil lip mask. Oh, that's cute. I'm here for that. So you get 4 lip masks. Let me show you what the packaging looks like. That's what the packaging looks like. I don't have any gold foil lip masks. I've tried a gold foil face mask, but not a lip mask. Oh, they look cute. In the little pamphlet, it shows you like what it looks like right there. Let's see how much these cost. These are $16. It says Kiss Dry Lips Goodbye, Botanical Extracts deeply hydrate and condition the lips for a smoother pout in minutes. So I'm excited about that. Then I got some slippers. I've got a couple of slippers from Fabfitfun. I think we had one in a winter box. Like, I keep getting all these slippers, but they're cozy, so I'll take it. I got the medium large size because my feet, I would say for a girl or big, my feet is like a 7, but like I'm tiny, so I feel like my feet should be like a size 6. But how cute are these guys? These are so cute. And they feel so soft. And they're pink, my favorite color. Ooh, these feel really soft, guys. Like, wow, I'm super excited for this. How much were those? Those were those were $48 for these slippers? Holy moly. It says Fox fur slippers in crystal pink. Step into these cozy Fox fur slippers for ultimate comfort. Very nice. And then this is so cute, guys. It's like a little duffel bag by Alice and Olivia. I love the little daisies on it. Look how cute, guys. This is cute. I'm here for it. Look at this bag, guys. This is beautiful. With the little thing on the side. Alice and Olivia. For those of you who don't know who Alice and Olivia is, it's a high-end brand. I've seen it in like Bloomingdale's. They have like their own freestanding stores. This stuff normally is not cheap, so you'll pay a nice little penny for it. Wow, I like the bag though. It's not super spacious, but let me show you the inside, what it looks like. Whoop. See, guys, Alice and Olivia. Almost knocked myself out with this bag, but I love the bag. Oh, I like the little tassel, like the zipper. It's like a little face with a girl with like big glasses on. So cute. I love this bag, guys. I'm here for the bag. I think I chose this as well. Let's see how much this bag is. Excuse me if I just check. Let's see. The bag was, whoa. guys want to guess how much this bag is? It was a lot. I told you this brand's expensive. The bag was, guess, $150. So this alone was like the price, way over the price of the whole box. I'm here for it though. I am here. You can see the quality. I love this. Love, 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 love this. I can't wait to wear it. And that is it, guys. So let's see. I got this cute duffel bag. I got these slippers, which I love. I got a face serum. I got the Grown Alchemist. I keep trying to say grow, but it's Grown Alchemist body cream. I got these reusable face cloths. I got the 4-pack of gold lip foils. I got the tweezers and the pouch. And I got this beautiful ring. I will say I did good. I did good. I like everything. The only thing I didn't like was the face serum, but rather than that, everything else I could use. And I think I may try this Fresh Pharmacy. No, Hello Fresh. I may try this just to see what all this hype is about with this. I have to let you guys know. It says 13 free meals, including free shipping on your first box. Very interesting. What did you guys think about my box? Or any of you guys subscribe to Fabfitfun? I know it has a hefty price tag on it, but it's only once every season, so it's not like you pay every single month. I like it for the most part. There was no makeup item in here, and I want to say anybody who subscribed to my channel knows most of the subscription boxes I did this month, and they're supposed to be all makeup subscription boxes. There pretty much was no makeup, so I am disappointed with these makeup subscription boxes. I feel like they should be doing more makeup. However, there are a few occasions where the boxes aren't all makeup, and I actually like the boxes like this time around. So I would give this box a 80%. I would give it an 80% because I like the majority of everything in a box, but I didn't give it anything more because it was no makeup item. And also, I don't know, whenever I get skincare, I hate on a box. And but I mean, overall, I think 80% is fair enough. Like, I do like majority of the box. So super excited to try all my new items. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Like, comment, subscribe, and become a part of my YouTube family. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.